can I fuck with this nigga before he fuck it up? That be the first thing come out of girl mouth when you start fucking with a new chick, folk. They be getting that, oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? I just had to take some time off for myself, away from niggas, you know what I'm saying? Away from people or whatever, mostly niggas. I had to take some time off away from niggas because, you know what I'm saying, like, they all be on the same shit. They still live with their parents, or they fucking multiple bitches. But here's the game to that though. Don't no bitch want no nigga that's not wanted by bitches. So you can't be scared to let no hoe know you got bitches. You dig what I'm saying? Drop a P in the comments if I'm speaking facts. Drop a P in the comments if I'm speaking facts. So look.
Whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
When they do, after you done made her wait, after you felt like you made her wait long enough, when you do decide to crack her, wear her ass out. You understand me? Wear her out. Break her back, bro. Don't be sitting up there just trying to, you know what I'm saying, overfuck all hard and pound all hard, you feel me, and think you doing something, you know what I'm saying? No, take your time. Stroke her ass. Talk to her. You feel me? Like I say, make her body talk. Talk her through this shit. Make her tell you how she wants you to do it. And then you do that and then some. She gotta be done came plenty times before you get that one nut.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
I'm trying to tell you, I'm putting you down. After you crack her ass, she get them couple nuts. You know what I'm saying? You say you don't bust, bro.
That ain't too convincing.
You feel like you about to bust? Pull out and stop.
Who?
You know what I'm saying? This is game. This is real game. I'm putting you down. After you do that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all still gonna be with each other. You feel me? She gonna open up more. This is all still in the same setting after you just cracked them. That same day, crack her ass again. Show her ass this shit wasn't no fluke. Cause that's exactly what she gonna be thinking. Oh, he had to show out, you know what I'm saying? That shit was just a fluke. He had to put it on. He can't do it again. Kill her ass again. Know what that's gonna do? Oh, this nigga ain't no joke. I'm finna try to wrap his ass up. You gotta cut all your hoes off. That's what you want them to think. You don't have to do that, but this is what you want them to think. This is the type of energy that you want from them. You want them to be all about you. You want them to want to keep you to themselves. This is what you want. These are the signs that you need her to show in order for you to get in your head like, all right, look, I see the signs. This motherfucker, she really fucking with me. It's how you know you got it. You're supposed to already know that you got it before you even walk up on her ass and say anything to her. But all this does is put the stamp on that. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, don't touch her ass for like a month.
What do you mean by that?
If you can't hold off, don't touch her for at least 2 weeks. If you can't do a month, do 2 weeks at least. Still link with her, still talk to her, you know what I'm saying? Still keep that same energy. Probably dial it back just a little bit, but keep that same energy. It's gonna have a question. What the fuck is this nigga on?
Yeah, boy.
That's how you fuck a bitch head up. You don't never want her to know your next move when you fucking with her. You gotta always be a few steps ahead, 10 steps ahead. Cause they're strategic and they're planners. They play chess, not checkers. She already thinking 30 moves ahead. Why are you fucking her? Could this nigga be the one for me? Can I marry this nigga? Could I see myself having kids with this nigga? Could I bring him around my family? Should I tell my friends about him? Is his dick really this good? Can he fuck me like this all the time? Should I start buying him shit? No, I'm gonna try to, well, I should probably make him buy me some shit first. These the things that go through their mind, though. And they will show you and they will tell you. You just gotta pay attention to the signs, brother. This shit is not that hard. Stop thinking with that dick and think with your actual mind, and all the shit that you was confused about on women and shit, all that shit will come to the forefront. I promise you. Drop here in the comments if I'm speaking facts. Come on, P. Like this video if I'm speaking facts. This shit ain't, it's a game, but this shit ain't hard. You know what I'm saying? As men, we make shit so hard when the shit really simple, especially women. Women are complex creatures, but they easier to figure out than you think. You know what I'm saying? The motherfuckers don't know what they want. All they know is they want you and what you want. So you just keep doing you. Keep giving her you. And she'll be satisfied all the time.